And we are going to be keeping with that birthday spirit right here in studio because when you turn 23, you don't just want to blow out candles and eat cake. You want to celebrate in style, and that's why we're celebrating the Crazy Store's 23rd birthday by partying every Friday on the show with you for the next 3 weeks until Friday, the 21st of August, where you, our viewers, stand a chance to win a crazy and amazing and crazy and amazing Crazy Store hamper. Did I just hype it up enough?
Yeah.
Did I hype it up?
Crazy and amazing, lots of craziness and amazingness. Of course, from gifts to decor, you can make your next birthday celebration the best, the thriftiest yet, with crazy discounts. For instance, you can get a train set that's been discounted by 90 Rand. That's almost 50% off because the train is now selling at 99 Rand 99 cents, right? Or how about this? A robot, if you that way inclined and your little ones want to play with a little robot, that's got a 50 Rand discount. It's now selling at 99 Rand 99. Makeup gift set for selling at 79 Rand 99 cents. So there's all kinds of crazy discounts to make your birthday celebrations extra special.
I wouldn't even know where to start to buy for anything. Like, I want to take it all.
You get a
even
big
like
trolley and then you go.
Now, actually, last week, Friday, Lauren Gerber actually chose balloon number 2 and won a boy's toy hamper. She absolutely loved it. Now, with balloons 1, 3, 4, and 5, prizes still up for grab. Let's find out what this morning's winner will be walking away with.
Yeah, and so we asked you to comment on our Facebook post with what you love about the Crazy Store. So Melissa Patrick had this to say. She said, I love Crazy Store because they have everything I need under one roof. I can get household goods, plus treat my kids with a toy or something educational with one trip to the store. Convenient, and they take all measures when it comes to COVID regulations. Hashtag Crazy Store. We love that.
Oh, we absolutely love that. And of course, we had to say, congratulations! We actually have Melissa on the line right now, and we're ready for her to choose her balloon number and see what Crazy Store hamper valued at 500 Rand she'll be lucky enough to bag. Good morning, Melissa.
Good morning, guys.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Very excited this morning.
Excellent stuff. So you heard it, Melissa. You've got 1, 3, 4, and 5 to choose from. Which one will be your chosen prize this morning?
So many choices. I think I'll have to go with number 5 this morning.
Number 5, all right.
5.
Here it is.
Fingers crossed.
There we go. Okay, so number 5 is now out of the running. I'm gonna take it out.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed for her as well.
All right. Okay. Here we go. You ready for it? Number 5, you have won yourself a girls and boys toy hamper, which includes a boxing set, a doctor play set, a magnetic fishing game, space blaster set, rifle set, mermaid doll, and dock play set as well.
Woo! Melissa, come on!
I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
How do you feel? I mean,
Congratulations.
what are you going to do with it? Who do you think is going to love it more, you or the kids?
Definitely my kids who love toys. I've got 2 sons, so they're definitely getting all the boys' goods. And then I've got a niece who lives up in Joburg, so I'm definitely sending the rest of the girls' goodies to her because she's such a princess.
Let them enjoy it. And please send us all the pictures because we obviously want to see all the pictures and how they are going to be using
Thank you
all
so
of it.
much.
Yeah. Listen, and the beautiful thing as well is that the Crazy Store will be donating a 500 Rand voucher to the Friends of the Children's Hospital Association, who provide holistic support to the Red Cross War Memorial Children's Hospital right here in Cape Town. So your winning is also the winning of those beautiful people as well, Melissa. Thank you very much for entering the competition. We really appreciate it, and enjoy the prize.
Thank you, I will. And thank you to Crazy Store and Espresso SABC3.
Yeah, baby.
We
It's
love you, boo-boo. Now, of course, you're at home to enter the...
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye. You're at home, of course, to enter the Crazy Store 23rd birthday giveaway. Go to the Espresso Facebook page and comment on the Crazy Store competition post of the week by telling us what are your top 3 Crazy Store items. And who knows, we could be calling you next Friday to pick a birthday balloon and win an amazing Crazy Store prize hamper.
Absolutely. The competition runs until the 21st of August, and T's and C's can be found on expressoshow.com. Also, remember, if you are in a Crazy Store, you too can be a winner every day with crazy discounts discounts on selected items from birthday promotion, or in the birthday promotions, all in the Crazy stores. But that's not all, because if you spend 100 Rand or more, you can fill in your details on your till slip, then drop it into the competition box in store and stand a chance of winning, guess what? 50,000 Rand in cash.
Say that again.
50,000 Rand. I said 50,000 Rand in cash.
Woo!
Oh my goodness. Wowzers. Happy birthday, Crazy Store.
Whoever you are, whatever you need, you'll find great value for the whole family at the Crazy Store. So duck into a store near you and be surprised.